I know this video is gonna hit some people nerves, but I am not a hater of Knife Ninja. I am just a reactor on the YouTube street. So please do not come for me. Please do not come for me. Sending me some threats. They're gonna sue me. Yes, man. I hit couple nerves about a video that I did about. I think it was last month or early this month. Yes. And you guys gonna say you're gonna sue Empress from Jamrock. Yes. Said, yes, Knife Ninja, I see that you're imitating Colosmith TV. Buying patty and juice. And I'm saying to myself, Knife Ninja could do something different. Why you have to do what Colosmith TV does? Said, I am proud of you. Yes. Mommy have donate some money to you. Yes, man. As sometimes we can give from the family. It's not people from overseas can give sometimes. Sometimes we Jamaican, local Jamaicans can give to Knife Ninja Colosmith TV. Yes, it's not only overseas people. I know overseas money, the currency, yeah, pays a little bit more, value a little bit more. Back to you, Knife Ninja. That same guy with that herna, well, talking to you, and he mentioned you. He think that you were Colosmith TV, and you deny it. Why deny it? Tell the guy that you're not Colosmith TV. Because me now, I don't want to be into another person shell. Because if I know that shell is not me, and I don't want to imitate nobody, I want to be Empress from Jamrock. It's only one Empress from Jamrock. Because sometimes when I come out, I do different things. I am a reactor and I also do regular video. And I heard someone came out and talking about your wish list, Knife Ninja. I don't really care about that part. If anyone from overseas want to donate to you, because I know you're gonna give out those things, and I know you're gonna use those stuff to cook, and I don't care what you want to. If you want to bring honey at your home, that is your beeswax. Is that my beeswax? Said I am out of that part, but I think sometimes you need to look within yourself. Nightly just said to myself, why should I go and do the same thing that Color Smith is doing? No, I would never do that. I would try to do something different. But sometimes we people just think different. I always want to stand out. Knife Ninja must try to stand out on the YouTube street because me, I don't want to be nobody. I don't want no one to say yes. I look like Alicia Kim. No. Even when I'm on live stream, people say, viewers are saying that I look like Alicia Kim and I have to correct them. I said, no, I do not even relate it to Alicia Kim. But I don't know if it's a resemblance. Yes, said I don't want nobody to say yes. Call me a specific content creator. I am not that person. And I am not that person. No, 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 no. That person have build themselves, build that brand. So Knife Ninja, when you go downtown and people is calling you Colors Me TV, do not take that. Correct them. I said, yes, I am Knife Ninja JA / whatever you want to put on your shirts. Yes, that is me. I don't want to take what is not mine. Because sometimes, yes, you want to copy somebody. Yes, I can copy somebody, yes, but do not take it too far. Because as far as I see other reactors coming out, I know that they're going to come off of you later. I know that they're going to bash you and say, yes, you're imitating Colors Me TV. Said, yes, I want to be like, now running with it. So, yes, guys, sometimes when we are reactors, this is the old, is that the way we makes our money. So sometimes when you see we come out with a title or a description, is to get the clicks. If we do not put out something that pisses off someone, they're not gonna click. They're not gonna click. Said when I put out this video, I know that I'm gonna get a lot of backlash, but I don't care. I don't care. Said that's how we make our money, by just putting out a good thumbnail, a good title, and a good description to get that clicks, because each and every month we want money, no matter if we're in Jamaica, if we're in the Western world countries. Say, guys, do not take certain things personal. We are reactors. Yes. Say, sometimes I know some of you guys that because you idolize Knife Ninja, you idolize Alicia Kim, you idolize so much different content creator, but we are reactors, so we have to do what we have to do to make that money. So do not get it too personal. Mm-hmm. Because even when they came out and accusing Oliver and Filted allegedly of taking out someone, yes, people came out and they defended Oliver and Filted, even me, because you cannot assume say somebody did something because you were not there. Said I would never come out and put out a content like that because I don't want to get sued. My back is not broad, not because you might see me come out and be myself on the YouTube street. No, certain topics I'm not gonna touch because I don't have lawyer fee. Because when you get into hot water, sometimes you don't even have nothing in your savings account. Sometimes it's credit. It's credit. Majority of people living in these first world countries, it's credit we survive off of. Say, certain topic I'm not gonna touch. Mm-hmm. Even that I heard about that young lady take her husband to court. I'm not touching that topic. Mm-mm. Certain things I'm staying away from. Yes, I will come out and react and do my little thing and put out my two cents. That is how far I will go. Yeah, that is how we must create contents. Do not go around and say, yes, I want to tear down somebody's channel. I want to destroy somebody's reputation. Because when I saw they come off of Colaz TV and accuse him of being a faggot, and I'm saying to myself, why is that person going down that road? Then they start to send him threat. Say certain things like those guys. I'm not going to come out and damage my reputation on the YouTube streets. I want in the future that my grandkids them can go and find me on the YouTube streets and say, yes, that's my grandmother. Said I want my slate to clean. As much as I come out and make videos about Alicia Kim, and a lot of you guys were pissed off because of her behavior. That's why I came out with that video. And I know she was lying because when my woman intuition kicks in, I know when someone is lying. Said, guys, do not get this personal because sometimes when you leave some bad comments, me said, my God, these people really, I'm saying to myself, these big up crews, these women, they really hate my guts. So yes, guys, do not get too personal. Because even if that young lady saw that video, she gonna say she's a reactor. And when we are a reactor and we react Colaz make videos, AK, Bowie's back, any one of those reactors, guess what? They automatically in the algorithm. Because we keep on speaking about them. And the more we speak about them, and the more reactors speak about them and they get clicks, yes, we automatically in the algorithm speaking about those people. And is that the way we build our YouTube channels? Because I have saw so much content creator do it and they're making the money. So when we come out with a content, don't get it too personal. It's all about making the money. And sometimes we have to stay in our lane. Do not go and digging up stuff. I don't want to go down that road. So anyway, guys, thanks for listening. Just have a wonderful Sunday evening. Bye.